Hello everyone, grade 10th, subject social science, geography, chapter 1st, resources and development. Resources definition is everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs provided it is a technology accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable can be termed as resource. Technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable are three main points of resource. Physical environment, technology and institutions is interactive relationship. The process of transformation of thing available in our environment involves an interactive relationship between nature, technology and institution. Types of resources. On the basis of origin, biotic resources and abiotic resources. On the basis of accessibility, renewable resources and non-renewable resources. On the basis of ownership, individual resource and community owned resources, national resources and international resources. On the basis of origin, origin means utpatti. Biotic resources, these are obtained from biosphere and have life such as human beings, flora and fauna, livestock etc. All the living thing is under the biotic resources. Abiotic resources, all those things which are composed on non-living thing are called a biotic resources. For example, rocks and metals. On the basis of its house ability, renewable resources, the resources which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical and mechanical process are known as renewable or replaceable resources. Example, solar and wind energy, water, forest and wildlife. Non-renewable resources, this occur over a very long geological time. Minerals and fossil fuels are example of such resources. These resources take millions of years in their formation. On the basis of ownership, individual resources, these are also owned privately by individual. Many farms own land against the payment of revenue. In village there are people with land ownership. Community owned resources. There are resources which are accessible to all the members of the community: village commons, grazing grounds, burial grounds, village ponds, public parks, picnic spot, playground. Is urban areas are the factor accessible to all the people living there. National resources. Technically, all the resources belong to the nation. The country has legal power to even private property of public good. International resources. There are international institutions which regulate some resources. The oceanic resources beyond 200 nautical miles of the exclusive economic zone belong to open ocean, and no individual country can utilize these without the concurrence of international institution.